In this example, we're going to be taking out common factors. We've been asked to factorize three expressions by taking out the common factor. Firstly, negative 3x minus 12. Now, the highest common factor there could be thought of as being 3, which divides 3 and 12. But because both of them are negative, it's smart to bring the negative 3 out the front. So let's put the minus 3 out the front and then put some brackets in. Now, to work out what goes in the brackets, we need to get negative 3x. So the first term has to be an x. And we also need to get negative 12. And negative 12 is negative 3 times positive 4. Therefore, we're going to write our final answer as negative 3 times x plus 4. It can be a good idea to check a factorization by expanding. So let's expand negative 3 times x plus 4. So negative 3 times x plus 4 is negative 3x plus negative 12, which is the same as negative 3x minus 12. So we were correct. For the second expression, you can see we have a common factor there of 10, numerically goes into 20 and 30, but also a appears in both. So the highest common factor is 10a. To work out what goes in the brackets, we need to get 20a squared. So 10a times 2 would give me 20a, and multiplying by a, that will give us the 20a squared. To get 30a, we're going to need to multiply 10a by 3. Let's check that by expanding. So 10a times 2a plus 3 is 20a squared plus 30a, which is correct. For this final one, we have 2 times x plus 1 minus a times x plus 1. So the common factor here is x plus 1. So let's bring that out the front. And what are we left with? Well, we need to put in a 2 to get 2 times x plus 1. And we also need to put in a minus a to get the minus a times x plus 1. So let's check that by expanding it. But we're not actually going to expand it fully. We're going to just keep that x plus 1 in brackets. So x plus 1 times 2 is 2 bracket x plus 1 minus a times x plus 1. Therefore, we have got a correct factorization.